Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back. I am here for my new sinking funds. I redid this. Look, I cleaned off the sheet. I've got my money set aside. I'm just so excited to get started because it looks so nice and organized and it makes me so happy. So let's just get into it. Let's just get going. Let's not beat around the bush. I've got change. I made change in my other video. I can just go. So let's go. All right, we're supposed to be starting with 41, 20, 40, 20, 30, 40, 41, adding 3, 1, 2, 3 for our parents' anniversary. That gives us 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's go ahead and write that in there. Not with this one. But I can use this end. Let's see if this one works. Ooh, 44. Ooh, it's struggling. It's struggling. Let me grab my other one that I literally just had and now can't find. There we go. Okay. I think this one is brand new. 44. Much nicer. Okay. Let's put that one away. And then let's go to Mom and Dad's Day. Now, I had a weird amount on there. Is it really 16? It is 16. Okay. So another 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's because it's Mother and Father's Day. I'm thinking anniversary, and I was like, that's coming up though. Okay, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 for them. Mom and Dad's Day, 19. I wonder if this will help me to go faster since it looks better. I don't know. Also, since I already have change, probably is helpful. So, you know, there's something there. All right, Dad's got for his birthday. Let me move this. Okay, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh, he's done for this year, right? And we're starting in January. No, he's still got a couple of months left to go. Let me see. Yeah, he still gets a little bit more. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna trade out a 5. So here we go, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put that back. Grab a 5. You know that's where it always gets me, y'all. It should be 36 total. Okay, so 20, 30, 35, 36. Perfect. Oh, I wonder how many I can do that with. I hope I can do that with my mom's too. Hopefully I can, because y'all, that's ones that we get to keep. Okay. Oh, we can. Okay. 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 down. Pick up a 5. Switch them out. Perfect. 20, 30, 35, 36. We are exactly where we need to be for Mom's B-Day coming up in March. So we will probably go ahead and be done with those for them. 36 for Mom. Then we have my sister's birthday. Now her birthday just passed, so this is what we had left over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, add 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. I think that puts us at like a 20, so we might switch that one out. So let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, so close. Do I want to go ahead and grab those? Yeah, we do. Okay, so count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm getting rid of a lot of 5s though. And she gets 19. Perfect. Ooh, we're moving along, y'all. Moving along. All right, Juneteenth. Let me put these up real quick so I don't have so many envelopes sitting on my table. Okay. 4 more. 4th of July / Juneteenth. Old school orange envelope. Should have 27, 20, 25, 26, 27. Gets 2 more. Which should make us 29. Nothing to really trade out there, so I'm just going to move along with that one. 29. Thanksgiving should be at 43, and it gets 15, so 20, 30, 40, 45. Ooh, it's at 45. Okay, we got a little bit extra. That's nice. All right, so it gets 15. 5, 10. Okay. So, I think I'm going to actually trade out, what do you think, 2 of these 10s? Yeah, let's do 2 10s for a 20 for this one. I don't want to take too many of my 20s because I know I have some big ones coming up. All right, so 10 or 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Yes, perfect. And that is right on track for where we should be for this month. Yes, fabulous. Christmas. Christmas has 20, 40, 45, 50. Oh, okay, so that's what we had left over was 50. And then let's do 25, so a 20. That's a 20s. And a 5. So that now gives us 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75 for Christmas. So Christmas is going to start adding up quickly, which is a great thing. And then New Year's, we're going for 120 for New Year's. We currently have 10, 20, 25. So add another 10, and that gives us 35 to start off with. Because y'all, New Year's came and kicked my butt this year with my whole, I'm just going to put $1 or $1 in. Came and kicked my butt. But that's why we do the tracking, and that's why we adjust yearly as we figure out what we actually need. Ooh, my big old folder with all of my envelopes was trying to revolt. And we are going to flip to the other side just because we have 4 more to do real quick, which I'm very proud of myself. I feel a lot more organized with my sinking funds, which is a nice feeling. So we're already done with the first page. What are we behind with? 45, 60. Yuck. This one. There we go. 60. All right, now let's flip over. So we will get to these ones at the top of this page in our next video. But for right now, let's do our spring equinox and all of these. Spring, yes. Okay, so right now we're looking at 2022 is done, 2023 is done, we're looking at 2024, and we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, oh wow, 2024 is done. Okay. And then it still gets 1, 2 more, 4 more. Okay. All right then. Sure. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Perfect. Let's take those, put those back, trade them for a 10. And then after this, I probably will not be trading out any more of those. Oh, I need to actually grab a sticky note so I can make 2025. Does that seem ridiculous? I'm not sure. 2025. Why do I have so much left in this one? This seems a little absurd. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There's 2025. Alright, so we have 2024. When should I stop? When should I stop? When should I reorganize how I do these? I am not sure. Maybe if I get like 20 years. You know, if I get 20 years ahead, I'm gonna stop. Summer solstice. Okay. We got 2022. 2023 is what we're working on. We have 10, 15, 16, 17. Oh, and I guess we should write in, I guess, $3. Oop. I just threw that at me. Okay. $3 for that one. For 2025. Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, that's weird. For summer solstice, 2023. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, you know what? Because I'm doing 4 now. So I really need to, okay, yeah, there we go. It's not as bad. So I need to readjust. So it should be 4. Let me see how much it's supposed to be in each year. Then. It should be 48 for each one. Oh, okay, that makes so much more sense. All right, so what we're gonna, let's fix 2022 first, and then let's go from there. Okay, so 20, 30, should be 48, right? Okay, so that's 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, so really, there we go, 2022. Oh my goodness, okay. 2023 has 3 in it. Okay, oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, that makes so much more sense because I was like, y'all, how am I already up to? Let me go in here and fix this so that these have the right number. Okay, for 2021, oh, we are not gonna have enough change for this. Let's go to, oh my gosh, ridiculous. Forget it. I'm gonna need change for a 10. That's just all there is to it. So here's 2 5s. Okay. 2022. Here is 20. Here is 40. Here is 5. Here is 8. So 48 for 2022. And then here is 10, 20. All right, so we're almost done with 20. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. Okay, we're almost done with 2023. So we're at 20, 30, 40, 45. All right, so next month we'll be ready for spring equinox for 2023. I feel 120% better. Because I was like, y'all, that's ridiculous. So we should be at 45. Okay. I will go in and fix that. Okay. Let's see if our thing works or if we have just royally screwed ourselves over. Oh yeah. It takes a little elbow grease, but we are in there. I bet if this was still really wet, this this would actually come off. There we go. Okay. Whew. Dry it off. 45. There we go. Woo! Okay. 45 for that. How much did we have for summer solstice? Because I don't remember, but I know I put the money away. 2020, we're at $3 on 2020. 3 for summer solstice. Okay. I was like, this just doesn't make any sense. $3. Okay. Now let's get to fall. Fall. We're going to have to adjust fall as well, as I'm sure. Yes. Oh, we're not even at, I don't think we've even finished them for 2022. Interesting. All right, well then let's just, oh wait. I think we've just made it then. We need change. Okay, so here's 40. Change for the 10 will give us 2 5s, I guess. 1, 2, 3. 48. Okay, so 2022 is done. Yay. And then we have we still need to put in 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have enough for the last one? Hopefully we do. I guess we'll see in a minute. So that gives us, should we trade this for a 5? We should. Yeah, we should, because we're going to need those 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, we have 10 for 2023. Yay. Okay, so everybody is done for this year. Well, I guess we'll see. I think winter might not be. I think winter is the only one that is not done. Ouch. Not done for this one. Ooh, let's get this done. We're running a little over. So we have 2022. See how much this ends up being. So there's 20, 30, 35, 40. Got 41. Oh, add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Puts us exactly, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Puts us exactly at, so it's 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45, y'all. Woo! That puts us exactly at what we need for 2022, which means we can start on 2023 as soon as we get ready. That is exciting for me. Okay, that makes me happy. Okay. Yay! Okay, that's it, y'all. We're done. First half. Let's get to our second half. I will see you all in just 1 second. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. I hope your sinking funds are going fantastically. I love you all. Have a good one. Bye-bye.